Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions based on articles which are given in 10th standard social science textbook. These questions are very important from the exam point of view, so you should give more importance to articles. Let's begin. In order to remove regional inequalities, this article has been amended from A to J. Article 370, Article 373, Article 372, Article 371. Correct answer is option D, Article 371. Article 371 has been amended from A to J in order to remove regional inequalities. Let's move to second question. The most backward regions of Karnataka have been accorded special status by adding Article 371J, Article 371, Article 372J, Article 371K. Correct answer is option A, Article 371J. Backward regions of Karnataka have been given special status by Article 371J. Third one, the article which explains international peace and cooperation is Article 51, Article 52, Article 53, Article 71. Correct answer is option A, Article 51. Article 51 explains about international peace and cooperation. Fourth one, according to this article, providing social justice and welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. Article 38, Article 39, Article 40, Article 37. Correct answer is option B, Article 39. According to Article 39, it is the duty of the state government to provide social justice and welfare of the people. Let's move to fifth one. This article says free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years is fundamental right of the children. Article 21, Article 22A, Article 23, Article 21A. Correct answer is option D, Article 21A. According to Article 21A, free and compulsory education to all children between 16 and 14 years is fundamental right of the children. This article says all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. Option A, Article 44, option B, Article 43, option C, Article 45, option D, Article 46. Correct answer is option C, Article 45. According to Article 45, all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. This article says that right to speak and right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. Options are Article 17, Article 18, Article 19, Article 20. Correct answer is option C, Article 19. Article 19 says that right to speak and right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. This article provides for the protection of cultural rights of the minorities. Option A, Article 27, option B Article 28, option C Article 29, option D Article 30. Correct answer is option C Article 29. Article 29 provides for the protection of cultural rights of the minorities. Ninth one, this article provides for the establishment of minority educational institutions. Correct answer options are Article 28, Article 29, Article 30, Article 31. Correct answer is option C, Article 30. Article 30 provides for the establishment of minority educational institutions. This article expresses that it is the duty of the government to support the educational interest of scheduled caste and tribes. Options are Article 46, Article 45, Article 47, Article 49. Correct answer is option A, Article 46. 11th one, the article of the Indian Constitution that prohibits the practice of untouchability is Article 21, Article 17, Article 30, Article 21A. Correct answer is option B, Article 17. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution prohibits untouchability. The fundamental rights are discussed in these articles. Article 12 to 30, Article 12 to 35, Article 10 to 35, Article 15 to 30. Correct answer is option B, Article 12 to 35. The fundamental rights are discussed in Article 12 to 35. Total number of articles in the UN Charter are 114, 113, 111, 112. Correct answer is option C, 111. There are 111 articles in the UN Charter. Question number 14. According to this article of the Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986, a fine of rupees 50,000 and 2 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. Options are Article 15, Article 13, Article 12, Article 14. Correct answer is Article 14. Option D is the correct answer. According to Article 14, a fine of rupees 50,000 and 2 years imprisonment is imposed on violators. The child labor is prohibited as per Article 21, 22, 23, 24. Correct answer is option D, 24.